Good afternoon, Ria from Maisie Moo. Now it's been ages since I have put a new free pattern out on my website, and I thought what better time to do one for Easter. Now this is a basket shape that I have been playing around with for ages now. This was one of my little prototypes, but what I've done is I've finalized and finished this SVG template, which is going to be available for you under the freebie section. Now it is a really cool design. What it does is it just folds up and you secure it with either I've used snaps on this one here. You can see it's got the handle, and I've even included some flowers there, so you can either use the snaps, and I've just used, I've had to use long prong snaps for the flowers. I've used size 16s, but you could use size 20 cam snaps. Now the prototype that I worked on, I actually used, they're called Chicago screws, and I like to use these for when I'm just testing, but they are really neat too for the actual final result. So you can see on this basket here, I've used the Chicago screws to hold it together, and today what I'm going to do is show you how we're going to put this together using rivets. It's super easy. You can see that it is just one big, it looks like a big flower when you cut it out, and it comes with the holes, which I'm just plucking out now. I've chosen to go with this lovely faux, which actually kind of looks a little bit, I suppose you could say it looks a little bit baskety. So I'm going to be using the larger size. These are, I think they're 8mm rivets, and they just come in a little leather rivet set. I need to get some more of those, I'm running low. They're really handy to have, and all you simply do is you're going to work your way around. You'll need 8 of them in total. I start from the front. Now the front overlapping piece is the round edge, and that's going to go over the, there we go, the pointy edge at the back, and we just keep working our way around. Now you're obviously wanting to insert your strap as you go as well. Now what I do with rivets, and what's good, is you snap them in and you don't fix them until everything is all aligned, and they do hold quite well. Okay, so we're on to, I'll leave that one there. So I'm doing 3 on each side, and then what we'll do is we'll insert the strap. This is so easy. I probably don't even really need to have a video for it, but in a way it just shows you how easy it is. And I'm going to use these to put some Easter eggs in. But I reckon you could use them for all sorts of things. My mum has little pot plants, and she said I'm going to make her some in some darker colours, and she's going to put little pot plants in them. Now let's have a look. We are now onto our straps, so that's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to insert the strap. Now I'm doing it between the 2 layers. There we go. So we've got that side, and I've missed one. Quickly do that one. Okay. Boom, there we go. It's not often I want to have a little squeal when I make a new SVG, but this one I think is worth it. I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. See how easy it comes together. I'm going to fill that with some little eggs, and we'll take some snaps, but I hope you enjoyed watching that. As I say, you can create them with the rivets, the snaps, or even Chicago screws, or you could even use paper brads if you wanted to. You might have to maybe put some wee circles of faux over the back if you're wanting it to keep it tidy, but to be honest, if you're filling it up and you're not seeing the inside, it wouldn't matter too much. There we go. Super easy. Hope you have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Bye.